A delivery just landed, boxes everywhere, and updating each product by hand would eat your whole afternoon. There's a quicker path. From products, hit scan to add stock, and Vyroq opens the camera with a live scanner barcode overlay. Point it at the box, and the moment a code resolves, it's matched to the right product automatically. No camera handy, or the code won't scan. Type it in instead. The exact same lookup, just typed rather than photographed. Either way works. Match found, confirm the quantity you're receiving, and it's logged. Barcode not recognized? Vyroq offers to create a brand new product with that code pre-filled, so nothing falls through the cracks. Prefer corrections over additions, say a damaged case or a fresh recount. Use adjust stock instead. Choose add, remove, or recount. Attach a reason like damage or restock, and the ledger updates instantly. Every receipt, every correction, timestamped and attributed automatically. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.